Okay, now this is another episode wherein I'm going to share something about the breathing. Once again, it's a breathing, but this is something to do with the humming technique of breathing, and this has proven beyond doubt in US as one of the most beautiful way of activating your midbrain. Okay, now this technique of humming, if you can practice it every day, the number of times you need to do is it can vary from 9 times to 21 times to 48 times to 108 times or even 1008 times. You can do it as many times as possible, but you have to do this. The technique is very simple and I'm going to teach you the technique. So the first step is sit in a very comfortable position, number one. Number two, what you need to do is touch your palate, your tongue to the palate up. Okay, that is number one. Number two, clench your teeth, close your clench your teeth and close your lips. This is the second step. Now once you do this, what you need to do is take a deep breath. I did this very just 3 times and I can feel totally relaxed, just 3 times itself. So what will happen is when you do this, practice this every day, there is a lot of positive thing happening. When you do this humming, there is a lot of blood flow increase onto your facial area, especially your nose and your paranasal sinuses area, and this in turn gives an advantage for you to have more blood supply, and then definitely your immune system will be definitely much better. And it has been shown that when you practice this particular thing, even a coronavirus which is out there, when it comes in contact with this kind of high energy and high vibration, definitely it cannot survive. It's one of the techniques. Of course, I'm not telling you it's a treatment module, but this is one of the ways where you need to make your area so positive that even the organisms, so-called viruses or bacteria, should not be coming near you. So practicing a proper breathing technique will help you to make your body much more healthier, and you will be in a better position to handle your life journey. And when you are practicing this, especially students, I would request every student, whoever is watching this video, you please practice this. And if at all, if you can repeat it 21 times or 48 times every day, or before your studies, you want to sit for your studies, just before that, practice this humming technique. You will be able to be in a much calmer position, number one. Number two, you'll be able to pick up what you're studying. Their grasping will be much higher, and you will be at a much more I would say much calm state, which would give your brain waves to be at either alpha level or at the theta level, which is an advantage for better picking up of information from your books or from the surroundings. So do practice this humming technique and activate your midbrain. It's an indirect way of activating your midbrain. And a word of information I wish to share is uh, particularly when you go to a temple, there's a lot of beautiful things happening down there. So there's a visual thing where there's a lot of beautiful decoration of the deities. So you are picking up all those vibration. It activates your midbrain, and when you hear to the bell sound in the temple, or the nadaswaram which is there normally played in the Hindu temples. These are all indirectly in Hinduism. It has been done scientifically. Only thing, we don't understand why we are all doing that. But indirectly, imagine it is your midbrain getting activated When you listen and when you see together, it's your midbrain activation happening. So this is an amazing technique which our ancestors have picked up and then given it to us. So please practice this humming technique and then make your life much more beautiful and much more awakening. So until I come back to you, thank you very much, Dr. Prabhu here. Until I come back with the next episode, have a wonderful day.